When your home isn't efficient, you aren't efficient. So when your water heater is getting old, it's bound to fail. And you find yourself screaming at the ice-cold water coming out of your shower, then the octave of your voice climbs to a glass-shattering pinnacle. And you can say goodbye to your prized snow globe collection. It doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to say goodbye to my prized snow globe collection. Upgrade to an Energy Star heat pump water heater and get up to $800 back to keep both you and your home running efficiently.